Well, let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time on a Fenix TK15. Now I was sent this by Fenix directly. They wanted me to test and review. This light comes in this box. And we've got the back of the box here. I'm going to show you the specs there. As you can see, 1000 lumens on the highest output. Now if you need more time, go ahead and pause screen. Otherwise we're going to open it up and see what's in. We've got one user manual. User manuals are very well detailed, multi-language, as you can see there. Got a warranty card. And we've got one holster. Now this here looks good to me. This is nice. It's got a nice D-ring on here, double stitched material, and it's got a little bit of a support here on the back. Really nice double stitched here. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, that's a good quality holster. It's nice to see Fenix has done some improvements on that area. And we've got a lanyard and an extra button cover and O-rings are in there. Now let's go ahead and take a look here at the light. And there it is. Nice strike bezel on here. It's got some deep grooves in there. Now this is gray in color. Clip is pretty heavy duty there. Tactical ring on there if you need to use that. And a tail clicky here. You also have a side switch. And the side switch, as you can see here, sticks out past the body. Now this did not come with a battery, so I'm going to be using one of my own. Style and design on this is very nice. You've got everyday carry and you've got the tactical. So that's great. Best of both worlds. And you can remove this if you don't want that on there. Got some flat areas here on the head. No heat sinking at all. Now this knurling here, as you can see, is rough, so it should help with gripping the light and not slipping, especially if you're wearing gloves. And the machining and finish on this is outstanding. Not seeing any issues here whatsoever. That looks really sharp. I'll go ahead and turn my clip here around. I like it on the opposite end of the power switch. Nice size. Feels good in the hand. Alright, so now let's go ahead and take a look here at the deep smooth reflector. Now this is running the Cree XP-L High V3 LED. There we go. Alright, now let's go ahead and get this open and I'll show you the insides. And we got grease on the threads. There's the spring on the tail cap. And now I'll take the barrel off the head. And again, grease threads there as well. There's the spring on the head. Alright, we're now going to bring out the battery that I have for it here. Alright, I'm going to bring out a vape cell. Now this is a 3000 milliamp unprotected cell, 20 amps on this, a real 20 amp cell under there, OEM. Tested these, they did really well. Hopefully that'll really get this light at its fullest light output and best run times. Alright, now that we got this all back together, now let's go ahead and go through the UI. UI is pretty simple. We're going to activate the light here with the tail switch. Now we're going to go through the light outputs by simply clicking on the side switch. A lot of light coming out of there. I'll go ahead and show you the beam here. Nice hot spot there, and it's pretty focused. A little bit of bleeding around the outer edge of that hot spot. Spill area is nice, got a nice cutoff as you can see, so that looks good. And we're back down to the lowest light output again. Now if you do want to get strobe, you can press and hold the side switch, and that is a variable flashing speed on that strobe. And then click it one time to get out of it. Now if you want to set this up like a tactical light and you want the highest output, you simply go ahead and put that on the highest output. Now you can pressure switch that for instant access to the highest output, which is nice. And you could do that for the other levels as well. Full press that if you need to. Half press, full press to complete it. And that's all there is to this light. Fenix lights are always very user friendly, very easy to operate. So let's wait no further. Let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the Fenix TK15UE. let's go ahead and get started. 35 feet from where I'm standing to that water spout. Trying to find a button here. Alright. 65 feet. It is making it to there. The lowest light output, there it is on the fence. I'll give you an idea. Oh, pan over here, see how it does here. Alright, we're going to go to the next level here. Let's see how it does. Spill has come alive. It's got some really nice range on this light, making the school, even with their lights off, this light level. 138 feet to the famous Tree of Life. Almost making that second one. We'll see on the next level, see how it does. And it is faintly making that park. Those playgrounds over there, quite a ways away. 65 feet to this tree again. Doing well. Fence line. Alright, let's do the next level. See how it does. Nice little jump. Definitely a good combination beam. Now this one here leans a little more towards the thrower side. Now it's making it across the park easily to the playgrounds. Faintly making those trees back there behind the baseball diamond too. Yeah, now it's making 238 feet there to that tree behind the Tree of Life. Sorry about the wind. Wind is really chilly actually. My hands are about to fall off. Alright, we're going to go up to the next level here. See how it does. Look at that. Do a before and after here. Very nice. Especially for 1,000 lumens. Making that school there, as you can see. Quite a ways away. And faintly making that first palm tree. Not the second one too much, but it is making that first one. Quite a ways away. Second tree is lit up now. Lighting up those trees way out there now, you can see. Nice throwing performance. There's the playground there. Look at that. Tree line, fence line. So let's do a beam profile here behind my hand. Excellent performance. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Right offhand, I want to say the Cadet Gray really looks good. You can see more of the contours of the body. A little bit better than black, in my opinion. So that's a really nice plus right off bat. Now, run times on this are very nice, especially if you use a quality cell. So make sure you get like a 3000 milliamp or higher. You're going to get the best run times you can out of this light. Now the light output is very nice. 1000 lumens still provides plenty of light for most applications, including tactical or everyday carry. So that's a big plus. So you've got basically like two lights in one. You can control it either way. Some people like to have both options on one light. Fenix had done it here with the TK15. again, machining and finish on these lights from Fenix are always top notch. Haven't ran into any problems on any of them that I've tested and reviewed myself, and they've done a really nice job with this model and this color. So now let me go ahead and show you what the light looks like in the holster. Again, I want to thank Fenix. This is a nice quality holster. You know, you're spending, you know, $100 on a light, sometimes a couple $100 a light, and the holster is not really built to protect it for long-term use. That's kind of a con for me. But this one here, especially on the last couple models, have been really nice holsters. So that's a nice improvement. That's how it looks. Got good protection. It does stick out a little bit past the flap here, but that's not a real big concern. So that looks really good. A little bit more difficult to get out with that tactical ring on there when using the holster. Okay, so I want to thank Fenix for sending me this to review. Now, if this is something you are interested in getting, I'll leave a link to the phenixstore.com, and I also have a special discount code there that's going to save you some money on this, just in case you're interested in getting it. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these Fenix lights to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care.